In this video, I will demonstrate how to use HeliusCompositePro to analyze composite laminates and simple composite structures. First, I will create a new laminate to work with. For this example, I will create my composite laminate using an existing composite material in HeliusCompositePro. For this example, I'll use IM78552, a common carbon epoxy composite material. After saving my laminate, it will be available to use throughout the rest of my analysis. Now I can begin to look at the stiffness and strength characteristics of my newly created laminate. To look at the stiffness, I'll use the Laminate Engineering Properties tool. The two-dimensional and three-dimensional stiffness properties and additional engineering properties are now available for my laminate. Now I can also look at the strength values of my laminate. To get a simple overview of the strength of my laminate, I will use First Ply Failure Survey. Using this tool, I now know the tensile and compressive strengths of my laminate in the axial and transverse directions, and also the shear strength of my laminate. Now I can examine how my laminate will behave in a simple composite structural configuration, such as a plate, a sandwich panel, or a tube beam, including thin wall pressure vessels. I'll first go through an example of a tube in bending. So I'll choose a circular cross section with a 5-inch radius. And first I can view the section properties of my composite tube. Now I can choose a boundary condition and loading configuration in which to load my composite tube. For this example, I'll choose a free fixed point load configuration for a 100-inch long tube with a load of 500 pounds applied at the midspan. And I can see from my calculations that my tube will deflect approximately 0.3 inches at the tip of the composite tube. Now I'll look at how my composite laminate would change if I varied the composite material orientations of my material. To do this, I will use the Laminate Survey tool. Using the Laminate Survey tool, I can see how the percentage of 0-degree plies, 90-degree plies, and plus and minus 45-degree plies will affect the composite stiffness and strength values of my composite laminate. This video was an overview of the tools available in HeliusCompositePro for analyzing composite laminates and simple composite structures. There are many more tools available in HeliusCompositePro, including more advanced failure analysis tools such as progressive failure and failure envelope plotting, and then also more project-specific utilities.